Today, we're going to discuss the most fearsome weapon in the world, the MANPAD. Man-Portable Air Defense Systems, MANPADS or MPADS, are surface-to-air missiles that can be carried around easily. They are guided missiles that can be used against tanks and low-flying aircraft, particularly helicopters. A single individual or a small group of people can fire them. These missiles are cheap and widely available from a variety of sources. Stay till the end of the video as we explore the top 10 MANPADS in the world. Number 10. FN6 MANPADS. The FN6 is the third-generation passive infrared homing man-portable air defense system. It is China's most advanced surface-to-air missile, currently available on the foreign market. It has a range of 6 kilometers and a maximum altitude of 3.8 kilometers, making it ideal for engaging low-flying targets. The People's Liberation Army uses the FN6, which has also been exported to Malaysia, Cambodia, Sudan, Pakistan, and Peru. It's fitted with a digital infrared seeker that's resistant to flares, solar radiation, and ground heat. The missile's 4-unit infrared seeker is housed in the missile's pyramid-shaped cone. The batteries and cooling system are housed in the launcher's handle. The launcher is equipped with an IFF antenna and an optional clip-on optical sight. The missile is capable of all-aspect attack and has a strike probability of 70% with a single shot. It has the ability to engage targets while moving up to 4 Gs. It can be equipped with night vision equipment. It can also be equipped with IFF systems. When equipped with IFF system, the name is changed from FN6 to FY6. Number 9. DRDO's MPDMS MANPAD. The DRDO anti-tank missile, ATM, is a first-generation wire-guided missile developed in India by Defense Research and Development Laboratory, DRDL, of Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. It has a range of 1.6 kilometers and a subsonic speed of 300 feet per second, 91 meters per second. It carries a 106 millimeter heat warhead. The DRDO's MPDMS is the world's most advanced MANPAD in development, and Gren Robotics in Hyderabad is developing an autonomous MANPAD data link, ADML system to connect isolated MANPAD operators into a networked environment. AMDL is a cutting-edge data link technology that employs artificial intelligence to provide an all-encompassing air defense system. India will be the first and the best country in the world to implement this technology on MANPADS, or forward-deployed air defense systems. By allocating targets in real time and managing the full engagement cycle, ADML will help to prevent friendly fire accidents. APDMS will be equipped with a dual-band infrared homing seeker, or a multispectral optical seeker weighing less than 70 kilograms, fire and forget capability, and the capacity to engage aerial targets at any time of day or night with a range of 6 kilometers and a height of engagement of 3.5 kilometers. Number 8. GROM or GROM. This is a Polish man-portable air defense system based on the Soviet Union's 1981 adoption of the IGLA 9K-38 missile. According to accounts, 12 grown missiles have been fired at Russian planes and helicopters during the 2008 Russian-Georgian War, with 9 of them hitting their targets. The missile has an infrared guidance system and a 1.2 kilogram high-explosive explosion fragmentation warhead. When the missile falls on its intended target, it detonates due to a contact detonation mechanism. It has a range of 5.5 kilometers and can attack targets from a height of 3.5 kilometers. Number 7. 9K338 IGLA-S. This is a man-portable infrared homing surface-to-air missile, SAM system, developed by Russia and the former Soviet Union. It's a surface-to-air missile defense system that uses infrared homing technology. It has a better jamming immunity thanks to its strong target selectivity against background interference and a longer range of up to 6 kilometers. The IGLA-S has a heavier warhead with a laser-based contact proximity fuse in comparison to its predecessor. The warhead's explosive charge and fragment count are likewise higher. Due to its excellent combat efficiency, the A-glass system is capable of engaging cruise missiles and drones. Number 6. Type 91. The Type 91 surface-to-air missile is a man-portable air defense system developed by Japan, MANPADS. It resembles the FIM-92 Stinger anti-aircraft missile developed in the United States. Because the Type 91 has a stronger guidance system, which includes both visible light and infrared system choices, it was intended to replace its stock of American-made Stinger MANPADS. The Stinger employs a passive infrared homing guidance system. The Type 91 is known as a hand arrow among the ranks of the JSDF. The Type 91 is occasionally confused for the Japanese-made Stinger. Due to prior interpretations of post-war constitutional limits and the legislation emerging from them, the Type 91 is now only employed by the JSDF and has not been exported outside of Japan. The rocket launcher, external battery pack, IFF system, missiles, and other training equipment are all included with the Type 91. The Type 91 is 11.5 kilograms in weight, which is much less than the 15.2 kilograms of the Stinger. The Type 91 Kai was updated to incorporate a missile with an infrared seeker, a smokeless motor, and the ability to shoot and acquire targets faster, as well as the ability to use it at night. Number 5. Starstreak LML-NG. Thanes offers the Starstreak lightweight multiple launcher next generation LML-NG, a man-portable close air defense system. It was first deployed by the Royal Army of the United Kingdom in 2000, and it is also used by the militaries of South Africa, Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Each LML-NG unit includes a tripod, a head assembly, and a sensor assembly that weighs up to 53 kilograms. It takes less than 2 minutes to construct and be combat ready. The MANPADS engages numerous targets in rapid succession, with 2 ready-to-fire Starstreak missiles. For a high hit probability, it uses TV and thermal imaging cameras, as well as manual and automatic target tracking modes. The Starstreak missile has a top speed of 1,029 meters per second and can engage targets up to 7,000 meters away. It employs a laser beam riding guidance system and carries 3 DART payloads. It provides superior coverage and performance at high altitudes, as well as exceptional precision versus small aerial targets like UAVs. Number 4. Mistral MANPADS. MBDA Missile Systems manufactures the Mistral MANPADS Vishrad armament system. The missile system, which is used by 27 countries throughout the world, has a confirmed engagement rate of 97% and is more reliable than other low-level air defense missiles. The lightweight launcher of the man-portable system allows for shooting from the ground, a vehicle, a structure, or a vessel. The MANPADS employs a Mistral fire-and-forget missile with a homing head that is 40% larger than its competitors and a 3-kilogram payload as opposed to the 1.2-kilogram warheads carried by competing weapons. Number 3. RBS-70NG. Saab's RBS-70NG, new generation, is a man-portable Vishrad, very short-range air defense system. It's an enhanced version of the RBS-70 system, which has been purchased by 19 countries throughout the world. The new Vishrad's modular design makes it compatible with existing RBS-70 missile generations, all the way up to the 4th-generation missile, Bolide. A missile in a launch container, a tripod firing stand, and an NG sight are all included with the 70-kilogram MANPADS. It is fitted with a laser beam rider guidance system and uses the new Bolide all-target Vishrad missile. The missile can engage fixed and rotary wing aircraft, cruise missiles, and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, at altitudes up to 5,000 meters and ranges surpassing 9 kilometers. It has a high strike probability and engages targets in situations with clutter and countermeasures. The missile's dual-shaped charge and pre-fragmented warhead allows it to defeat armored aircraft and ground targets. Number 2. 9K333 Verba. The Russian manufacturer KB Mashinostroyenaya's 9K333 Verba man-made air defense system is a successor to the Soviet-era IGLAS MANPADS. The Russian armed forces began using the system in 2015. It uses a 9M336 missile with a range of 3 kilometers and a speed of 400 meters per second to engage targets. A 9M33 missile, a 9P521 launching mechanism, and a 1L229V ground-based identification friend or foe IFF integrator are all part of the Verba system. With the addition of target detection, recognition, and designation technologies, the MANPADS target engagement capabilities can be further strengthened. The 9M336 missile has a passive homing seeker with 3 modes and a 2.5 kilogram blast fragmentation payload with an impact and proximity fuse. It can strike fixed-wing and rotary-wing planes, as well as unmanned aerial vehicles, at heights of up to 3,500 meters. In natural crowded situations and against pyrotechnic thermal decoys, it has a strong countermeasure (CCM) capability. Before we reveal the number 1, be sure to subscribe for more content like this. Number 1. FIM-92 Stinger. Raytheon Missile Systems developed the FIM-92 Stinger MANPADS, which is a fire-and-forget missile. It is a successor to the FIM-43 Red-Eye MANPADS, which entered service with the U.S. Army in 1981. More than 18 countries as well as 4 U.S. Armed Forces presently use the missile. It has hit over 270 aircraft, both fixed and rotary wing. A sight assembly, a grip stock assembly, a battery coolant unit, and a missile round are all included in the 15.2 kilogram Stinger system. It is fitted with a passive infrared seeker and uses the latest Stinger RMP missile. It is fitted with a proximity fuse and a 3 kilogram penetrating hit-to-kill warhead. The missile can engage targets at up to 3,500 meters with a range of 8,000 meters and at a speed of 750 meters per second. It has a high kill rate against low-level fixed and rotary wing aircraft, rotorcraft, and cruise missiles that move quickly. Tell us what you think about MANPADS in the comments section, and be sure to check out our video on U.S. Futuristic Laser System.